Hello friends, in this lecture we will be talking about how to reverse an integer in Java. So friends, this will be a lead code problem and this is our new series in which we will discuss about lead code problems. And this is our problem statement, guys. Given a 32-bit signed integer, reverse digits of an integer. So our problem statement's input could be 1 to 3 and the output should be 3 to 1. Input could be -1 to 3 and output should be -3 to 1, and if it is leading with like 1 to 0, then it should be only 21. Now there is a note that the special case in this statement. Assume we are dealing with an environment which could only store integers within the 32-bit signed integer range. So our input integer range could be this, and for the purpose of this problem, assume that your function returns 0. When the condition overflows, our function should return 0. Now let's see how to solve this problem. So we are provided an integer, that is x will be our input. So I am assuming our output will be a long type, our reverse. Why I am assuming this, guys? Let's say our input is 2 raised to power 31, and let's say there is a number could be in which reverse of that number could be greater than the input provided, so that if it overflows, then our long can hold that value because it has 2 raised to power 63. Now this is our number. Now let's say while x is not equal to 0. For general purpose we take x greater than 0, but in this case our input would be minus as well as positive integer. So that's why we are taking x not equal to 0. Now we will be saying, let's say our reverse will be reverse into 10 plus, we will be adding the remainder. And how we can calculate remainder? Divided by x modulus of 10. So let's see, guys. 1 to 3 comes. When we reverse is already 0, so 0 into 10 0, plus x is 1 to 3. When 1 to 3 is divisible by 10, it will result in 3. So we will get 3 here, right? Now let's say next time what we will say, x divided by 10. Now 1 to 3, if we divided by 10, it will result in 12. Now 12 is not equal to 0. Our reverse is 3 into 10, 30 plus 20. 12 divided by 10 will result into 2. So we will get our expected output. Now we will be saying, if reverse of this integer is greater than integer dot max value, or reverse could be less than integer dot min value, then basically this is the condition where it is overflowing. So we will be saying return 0. Otherwise simply return reverse of this integer. Now as we are returning a long type, but our return type of our method is int, so we need to type as this into this. Now this should work, guys. First let me run. Okay, it is saying okay, we need to close 2 braces. Now as it is running fine, we will submit our solution, and there we go. This is how we can solve a reverse of an integer in our lead code problems. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and please comment down below, and I need your support guys. Please support me, and thank you.